Do you have the car thieves really, really want? Last year it was the Cadillac Escalade, but a new report tonight says a Ford pickup truck is now the car with the most claims filed for thefts and break-ins. And watch as we show you the ingenious ways they're now doing it. ABC's Ron Claiborne has the answers.
It happens every 44 seconds in America today. Here, watch as a car thief in Albuquerque tries to steal a car, falling for a trap set by police. Top targets today, older cars. That's because newer ones come loaded with new anti-theft technology. But the thieves are catching up.
It's always a cat and mouse game. You know, as technology changes, they adapt to it. They look for the weakest link in the system, and then they might try and attack that.
Here's how they do it. Watch this undercover video from Long Beach, California. Right there, in his hand, a mysterious device that can unlock car doors. It has law enforcement across the country baffled. They don't know what it is or how it works. Then there's this technique. When you go to lock your car remotely, clicking your keychain, a thief in the parking lot can block that signal using a simple handheld device.
If you go to lock your car and you press your key fob, it sends a signal. Well, if a bad guy is within distance and he has the right equipment, he can jam that signal. Then you walk away from it, and then that's when they get into the car behind you.
Once inside, the thief has another weapon, an electronic device that overpowers the car's anti-theft measures, allowing them to start it up and drive it away.
Some are as small as this little piece right here.
So what can you do to protect your car? Police recommend parking your car in a garage or well-lighted parking lot. Alarms will deter some thieves, and hidden tracking devices can help you recover your car if it is stolen. And another tip, this one from the head of the NYPD Vehicle Theft Division. He said, never valet park. Professional thieves target those unlocked boxes where valets store car keys. And finally, this one I heard again and again, do not leave your key in your car. It sounds obvious, but more cars are stolen because the key was left in the car, Diane, than any other way, if you can imagine that.
No kidding, left in the car?
Leaving the key in the car.
Okay, Ron Claiborne reporting and staying one step ahead of them tonight. Thanks so much.